The pop art movement, an artistic revolution born in the mid-20th century, forever changed our perception of art and culture. It emerged as a response to the rapidly increasing dominance of consumerism, mass media, and popular culture in everyday life. At the forefront of this innovation were a group of trailblazing artists whose works still resonate powerfully today. In this video, we explore three of the most iconic figures of the pop art movement: Andy Warhol, Roy Lichtenstein, and Klaus Oldenburg. We begin with Andy Warhol, arguably the most recognizable name in the pop art lexicon. Born in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Warhol's background in commercial illustration fueled his fascination with consumer culture and advertising. He is best known for his silk-screened prints of everyday consumer goods and celebrity portraits. Who can forget the iconic Campbell's soup cans, which transformed a mundane object into a celebrated work of art? Warhol's remarkable ability to blur the lines between high art and commercialism challenged the traditional boundaries of art. His work with celebrities, most famously Marilyn Monroe, positioned him not just as an artist, but as a cultural phenomenon. Next, we turn to Roy Lichtenstein, whose art was heavily inspired by comic strips and advertisements. Lichtenstein, born in New York City, took everyday comic art and elevated it by using his signature Ben-Day dots, thick lines, and bold colors to produce pieces that were both satirical and reverent. Works like Wham! And Drowning Girl offered a new perspective on the art of storytelling and visual comedy, capturing the attention of audiences worldwide. Through his art, Lichtenstein scrutinized the emotions and dramas of everyday life, often presenting them with a touch of irony. Then there's Klaus Oldenburg, a figure best known for his large-scale public art installations. Born in Sweden and later settling in America, Oldenburg's works are impressive both in scale and concept. His fascination with ordinary objects resulted in the creation of monumental sculptures like the famous The Clothespin in Philadelphia and Spoon Bridge and Cherry in Minneapolis. By enlarging mundane items to surreal dimensions, Oldenburg forced viewers to reconsider their relationship with everyday things, transforming them into objects of reflection and delight. Together, these artists contributed distinct voices to the pop art movement, each framing aspects of contemporary life with a visionary lens. Warhol elevated commercial products and icons to high art status. Lichtenstein brought comic strips into the gallery space, and Oldenburg magnified the banal to monumental proportions. In conclusion, the pop art movement remains a vibrant and influential force in the art world, thanks in large part to these icons. Warhol, Lichtenstein, and Oldenburg redefined the possibilities of art, leaving an indelible mark on both their contemporaries and future generations. Their legacy prompts us to consider how we interact with the objects and images that saturate our daily lives, a testament to the enduring power of pop art. As we continue to navigate a culture awash with consumerism and media, these artists remind us to look deeper and appreciate the art in the everyday, encouraging a broader understanding of what art can be. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel.